Hey everyone, semi-auto clutch. We've had a couple of people, actually we've had loads of people ringing up saying after they've replaced their clutch or they can't get the circlip back in, so they've been ringing up and saying I can't get it in, I put the old plates back in, I still can't get the circlip in. So I'll show you where you're going wrong. Quickly whip out the circlip. I'm doing this on a dry new semi-auto clutch. I'm going to take the top pressure plate out, take the friction plate out. Well, I should tell you what, for speed I'm just going to tip the lot out. There you go. Then we'll put it back in as it goes, pull everything out of the way like that. 4 separator springs. So set the hub in. Now what's been happening is the people have been mixing up the top plate with the bottom plate. As you can see, it's a different size. The hole in the centre is different. Can you see that? A few mil different. So if you put that in first, it will fit down in there. Oh, if I can get it in right. It will go to there. Now what's happening is this hub doesn't pass through it, so everything's jacked up a few mil, and then that's why you can't get your circlip in. So we're going to put the hub in the centre, put the actual, oh, I keep getting this wrong, done thousands of these, I'm making a mess of it. Here we are. Right, 4 springs on the pegs, the separator springs. Like so. Now obviously I'm only doing this for video purposes. These friction plates, all 3 of them, need to be soaked in oil, in the oil you're going to be running, and we normally soak them in the oil in a bag overnight, etc. So friction face there faces inwards to the drive plate. Centre plate, the star looking one, is double friction plate, goes in next, but lining it up with the loop, the hoop with the springs, like so. Make sure they're always down. And then the top friction plate, obviously drive shape plate towards the friction facing up. Top plate, drive plate. Make sure you line your pegs up with the spring holes. Give it a shifty around just to make sure the springs aren't sitting out. Now you can hook your circlip back in, chase it round from one edge as you go. There's no real pressure on this to get it in. If you're having to force it in, you've got something wrong. That's it, it's as straightforward as that. There's no complications. And the centre hub turns. Hope it helps.